Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through fixing the Minecraft OpenGL error in a clear and effective way. This issue usually happens because of outdated graphics drivers or unsupported settings. First, close Minecraft completely and restart your computer to clear temporary glitches. Next, update your graphics drivers from the official NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel website, not Windows Update. Now, open the Minecraft launcher and lower graphics settings like render distance and smooth lighting. Disable shaders and resource packs temporarily because they often trigger OpenGL errors. Right-click the launcher and run it as administrator to avoid permission problems. Also, make sure Minecraft is using your dedicated graphics card, not integrated graphics. Update Windows to the latest version to ensure compatibility. Finally, restart Minecraft and load a world again. These steps usually resolve OpenGL errors and allow the game to run normally without crashes. Subscribe the channel for more videos.